Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm gonna make 100 reels in 1 minute. Now that's the name of this video, but there's a little bit of prep work before you get to the 100 reels, but I'll show you how it's done, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna be using Gemini Pro. You guys can use ChatGPT or Gemini, the free version. And we're gonna first start off in here. I'm gonna ask it for a prompt. I'm gonna create 100 ideas in your niche. So I'm gonna do marketing. I'm gonna ask for 50 business quotes, inspirational business quotes for all those entrepreneurs out there. And I'm also gonna ask for 50 marketing tips. Okay, so let's start with that. I need a prompt to be a professional marketing expert, and I need 50 quotes about business motivation, and then I also need 50 marketing tips that are relevant in 2025, and make them short, like shorter than 25 characters if possible. Thank you. So what I always like to do, and this is the prep work, is going to take more than a minute. That's why I say you can make 100 reels in a minute. Once you get this content exported, it's the prep work and idea and the thinking behind it. Otherwise, it's just going to be garbage. And we want good content. We want to give value to the people coming to the page. So that's kind of the goal here. All right. These are good. I've heard a lot of these. So all right. So I asked it to spit out all the content in one CSV file. So I just copied this here to an Excel doc. Now, once you have this, export it as a CSV file. So, all right, cool. Now what we do is we search here for social media reel, find something we like. And right here, nice big one. This will be good for our quotes. Customize template. Now what you can do is you go over to apps, bulk create, upload data. All right, select, press continue. You'll see all your 100 quotes here, and it's going to generate 95 designs. Have it bulk imported all 100 designs in, I guess that is less than a minute for the import part, but you can see we have them here. Now you just have to go through. I mean, if you are doing a lot of quotes or doing a lot of content like this, it will save you a lot of time for texting. And then when you export, make sure you export as an MP4. You can go file, download, and select MP4. So you can see all the pages because these are all the different videos. And just like that, you can create content really fast, really easy for quotes. And hope you guys like this tip and trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got more coming soon. Thank you.